In front of me is OnePlus 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sounds and Vibration. Then tap on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then hit Vibration Intensity to adjust intensity for incoming calls and alarms, and also messages and notifications. Go back, scroll, access haptics here, and use this switcher next to System Haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. If you decided to enable this option, you can adjust intensity of those haptics by swiping left or right on this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!